Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a truly mind-bending what-if scenario that will make you look at our familiar moon in a whole new light. Imagine, for a moment, that our constant celestial companion, the moon, was on a collision course with Earth. It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction epic, but let's explore the profound implications of such an event, not just the immediate cataclysm, but the fascinating, albeit terrifying, aftermath. If the moon were to crash into Earth, the initial impact would be beyond anything we can truly comprehend. We're talking about an energy release that would dwarf all nuclear arsenals combined, instantly vaporizing vast swaths of our planet. The sheer force would trigger global earthquakes of unimaginable magnitude, far exceeding anything recorded in human history. Tsunamis, not just on coastlines but across continents, would reshape landscapes in mere hours. The sky would be choked with debris, blocking out the sun for years, plunging the Earth into a prolonged, devastating period of darkness and extreme cold. This would be an extinction-level event, fundamentally altering the course of life on Earth. But let's shift our focus slightly, because even in such a catastrophic scenario, there are scientific principles at play that are, in their own way, awe-inspiring. For instance, the gravitational dance between the Earth and Moon is what stabilizes our planet's axial tilt. Without the Moon, Earth's tilt would wobble erratically, leading to extreme and unpredictable climate shifts over millennia, even if the initial impact were somehow survivable. The tides, a gentle rhythm we often take for granted, would cease to exist, impacting marine ecosystems and coastal processes in ways we're still trying to fully understand. Professionally speaking, understanding these celestial mechanics is crucial for planetary science. Studying the moon's composition and its gravitational influence helps us piece together the history of our solar system. Advanced simulations, like those used to model this hypothetical crash, are vital tools for geologists and astrophysicists. They allow us to test theories about planetary formation and the forces that shape worlds. While this scenario is purely hypothetical, the scientific inquiry it sparks pushes the boundaries of our knowledge. It's a powerful reminder of the delicate balance that allows life to thrive on our planet. This thought experiment, while dramatic, underscores the immense value of the moon in maintaining the conditions necessary for life as we know it. It's a testament to the intricate and often unseen forces that govern our universe. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic exploration. If you found this fascinating, be sure to follow for more science and technology.